Hi everyone. For this week's Demo Thursday, I will show and tell you about our security feature associated with generative AI, Guardrails. I'll go through what a guardrail is, how it works, how we use it in the product, and how we manage guardrails in a scalable way. So, what is a guardrail? A guardrail is a completely separate and unbiased LLM monitoring the generative conversation between the end user and the virtual agent. If either the end user or the virtual agent breaks any of the rules stated in a guardrail, the guardrail will trigger, take over the conversation, and produce the predefined output. We offer two types of guardrails, system and custom. We build, improve, and maintain the system guardrails on a technical level here at Boost. So all our customers need to do is to define the response if the guardrail triggers. The rest is on us. Custom guardrails can be created directly in the product by our customers, as different use cases have different needs. Let me quickly show you how to set up a custom guardrail. So, you see 4 in front of you, and the 2 custom ones are the ones called bad user and price negotiation. Very simply, I've instructed the guardrail on what type of behavior I want it to look for, in this case, war, politics, religion, or celebrities. Any questions related to those topics are prohibited, and the same thing is true if the end user asks the virtual agent to ignore the instructions or knowledge. This is a very common way we see people try to manipulate or jailbreak systems. You might have seen examples of this on LinkedIn. With that, let's see how they work in action. I will start a conversation about car insurance on the right. I start by asking if the virtual agent knows how car insurance works. Simple question. The VA uses the available knowledge and generates a response. No problems. But what if I ask about politics or religion? Then I want the bad user guardrail to trigger. Here you see immediately that the bad user guardrail triggers because my question includes prohibited topics, and it automatically produces the predefined response we've defined in the product. I could also ask about price negotiation. As you can see, that immediately triggers the price negotiation guardrail, which looks for different topics than the bad user guardrail. The same would be true if hallucinations happen or if bad language is used, which is the moderation system guardrail takes care of, which you will see me trigger by calling the virtual agent stupid. The last part is management of guardrails, because for enterprises with different flows and use cases, it's important to still have global controls and management capabilities to ensure quality and accuracy when it comes to guardrails. This is why both the guardrails and the responses of the guardrails can be enabled globally in the product to ensure quality across the model. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much.